Very excited to announce today we acquired Kent Manufacturing, Grand Rapids, Michigan, a wonderful company that's been around for 60 years, 3 generations, another 3M preferred converter, 70,000 square foot, gorgeous facility. We're really looking forward to all new equipment, even like behind here, we just got a new F&K Skyver in Charlotte. They bring wide web laser cutting, spooling, inline laser rotary die cutting, medical clean rooms. We couldn't be more thrilled with this acquisition. We're really finishing 2024 with a bang. 2025 is going to be the best year yet. We're really looking forward to it. And it really fit from a culture standpoint. So they bring 2 huge certifications on top of the AS9100 aerospace certification that Charlotte has. They bring IATF for automotive and 13485 for medical with clean rooms. There's probably not another converter that I know of that has all 3 certifications. We really feel that we're going to get better capabilities, more purchasing power, closer to our customers, and more salespeople. It is just really a match made in heaven. So we just can't wait to get started integrating the businesses and really pooling our resources to deliver the most important thing our customers want. Is we want to be value added to them. And this is another way Sur-Seal continue to invest in our customers.